Guys, welcome back after that short break. Let us quickly wrap up today's lesson. So the focus of today's lesson is indeed area as well as surface area, right? We've looked at some of the questions and then we indicated that important terminology, right, is where we say that area equals or is the surface enclosed by the boundary lengths of a two-dimensional figure. We also indicated that the units for area of area is millimeters squared, squared centimeters, squared meters, squared kilometers. Then we've also indicated that the total surface area is the total exterior area of all exposed surfaces of a three-dimensional object. Then indeed the same as with area, the units of total surface area is also millimeters squared, squared centimeters, meters squared, squared kilometers. Then I've also indicated here that the only difference between area and total surface area is that area refers to two-dimensional objects, while total surface area refers to three-dimensional objects. Clear? All right, guys, let's now focus on some common errors that I would like us to avoid, or important things that you must pay attention to when dealing with the topic of measurement. So first up, I indicated here that you must ensure that you work with the correct formula, depending on the shape obvious that's given to you. Guys, remember, sometimes we give you a list of formulae and you must then select the correct formula. Remember, unit of area and surface area is exactly the same there. Squared millimeters, squared centimeters, squared meters, squared kilometers for that matter. Then, always important, familiarize yourself with the shape or the picture and the context that's given to you before you attempt any question. Then read the question or the instruction with due diligence. Like for example, you saw now that we needed to round off to do decimal places. Make sure that you follow that instruction. And it's always important that you highlight, underline and circle those instructions so that you don't miss it. Then ensure that your units are the same before you simplify. Okay, so those are a few pointers that I want you to pay attention to when dealing with the topic of measurement. Then guys, before I say goodbye, before I end our lesson, I would like to leave you with the following challenge. It says here, the swimming pool below consists of a rectangular shape at the one end and then a semicircular shape at the other end of the pool. So we have a rectangular shape at the one end of the pool and a semicircular shape at the other end of the pool. It further on says, carefully study the diagram below and calculate the area of the entire pool. Then I provided you with two formulas as well, where I said area of a rectangle equals length times width, then area equals pi times radius squared. Please pay attention to the dimensions and make sure that you apply all the skills we learned today. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you next time. Please stay safe and remember to work every day. Goodbye.